Okay. So this is the code from the project for Flatiron School. So okay, we start with the doc type HTML to letting know that we will be using HTML. The language is gonna be English, so we use the tag lang equal in en. We're gonna be using this style sheet. We will be using Bootstrap, which is a library for the use of front end to make everything easy and beautiful, pretty much. This is if one of the tools of the Bootstrap. We will be declaring a navbar with all these attributes. So it's going to be navbar expand small, navbar dark, bg dark. So it's going to be inside a container fluid. We will have the navbar brand US Public Holidays 2020. We will get a button with the class show holiday btn, and it's gonna say search holiday. After that, we're gonna close the navbar and the div, and we will open another container with the ID holidays container. Say please click the search holiday button. To fill the information, by the way. After that, we will be using the script, the JavaScript, who is going to get every functionality done in this document. So inside the script, we have a constant API URL. With this URL, where we will be getting all the JSON information. We will be declaring a holidays container, getting element by ID holidays container, and we will be using another one called shows holiday btn. It's gonna be using show holidays btn, which is the one here in index HTML. So we start with the show holidays btn. Inside holiday btn, we will be using an event listener, exactly the click. So when the user do a click in that button exactly, this event will be triggered. So first we fetch the information from the URL, then we get a response. We will be transforming that into a JSON. Then we get the data. We create a constant holiday. We will have the data, and we will create a let HTML empty, by the way, an empty HTML string. We will be from the data. We'll get we will be using a dot for each because it's gonna be a for statement. It's kind of a loop. So when we will be getting holiday.name. I mean from this URL we will get these three attributes, which is name, date, and type. So we go to this address, we will be getting date and name and type. We have another attributes, but we will not be using it. So it's going to be .name from the JSON document, .date from the JSON document, and .type from the JSON document. So it's going to be doing multiple times until he gets all the objects from the URL, and then we will have that. We will inject that into an HTML document, which is the string over there, and we will, after we do click, the button will disappear with this part of the code. And of course, we will be using a try and a catch to handle errors. So we have this message here just in case that there is something wrong with the API or wherever. The user will know there is something wrong. So if we go to the web page, sorry, it's gonna be please click the search holiday button. So we have it over here. When we do click, we fill all the information from the API. And well, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for your time.